This tutorial will guide you through the installation procedure. If you are installing DataBridge via DVD, its contents are displayed as shown. To begin installation, double-click the setup.exe file to launch the installation wizard. Click Yes when asked for permission to continue. The DataBridge Install Shield wizard will launch and ask you to select the language of your choice. After selecting the desired language, click Next. Next, you will be prompted to install certain required items. Click Install to continue. After you click Install, Microsoft.NET Framework will be installed first. This may take several minutes. Once the .NET Framework is successfully installed, you will be asked for permission to install the SAP Crystal Reports Runtime Engine. Click Yes to continue. Follow the installation instructions displayed and then click Next. Read through the license agreement. To continue with the installation, you will have to accept the agreement. After accepting the agreement, the Next button will be enabled. Click Next. Click Next again to begin installation of SAP Crystal Reports Runtime Engine. A window with a progress bar will appear. The installation process will take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will be prompted with this window. Click Finish to continue. Now that the required prerequisites are installed, the wizard will start the installation of the DataBridge program. Click Next to continue. Please read through the end-user license agreement. To continue with the installation, you will have to accept the agreement. After accepting the agreement, the Next button will be enabled. Click Next. Now you will be asked to confirm the location of the installed DataBridge files. By default, the files will be installed in your computer's Program Files folder. If you wish, you can change this location. After you decide on the location, click Next to move on to the next step. Click Install to continue. The DataBridge icon will appear on the desktop and a progress window will be shown. Next, the SQL Server 2008 R2 installation will begin. The database that DataBridge will use will be installed. This is the last step in the installation process and will take a few minutes. You will be notified after successful installation. Simply click Finish. Now you are ready to start using DataBridge. Close the windows showing the DVD contents. Double-click the DataBridge icon on the desktop to launch the application. It might take a few seconds before you see the login screen when you launch the application for the first time. Thank you for viewing the DataBridge SS installation tutorial.